Woo! Charlotte loves her WubbaNub, which means that I'm in charge of making sure that it stays safe and clean, which can be really tricky in New York City. I've spot cleaned it before, but I think it's time for a deep clean. If your little one uses a WubbaNub or a lovey that's similar, here's what you need to know. First step, you need to sanitize that pacifier nipple. Wash it in warm water using a gentle liquid soap, and make sure you rinse really well, squeezing the tip of the nipple to make sure that all of that soapy water gets out. Next, put that into a bowl or a mug if you'd prefer, and fill it with boiling water. Let it sit for 2 to 4 minutes and let it sanitize. Get rid of those germs. Okay, moving on. Next, we're gonna clean the plushy part of the lovey. You can wash this by hand, but I prefer to use the washing machine just because I feel like it gets extra clean. Just make sure that you use a laundry bag and wash it on the gentle cycle. You're gonna let this air dry, but before you do, make sure you give the nipple one final rinse to make sure that it's clean. Let the lovey dry overnight. One of the best tips I got as a new mom is to have 2 of your little one's favorite lovey, or WubbaNub in this case. That way, when you're cleaning one, the other one is in rotation. And that's it. It's a super easy process, but it's definitely something that I found myself Googling when the WubbaNub hit the sidewalk. So I figured if I was looking up how to clean it, maybe you would be interested too. Let me know in the comments if there are other things for your baby or your kids that you're dying to know how to clean. Some of this stuff is super tricky, and it would be helpful to have all of that information in one place. Let me know what's next on your cleaning to-do list, and I'll see you next week. Can you say bye-bye? Bye!